morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope everybody's having an awesome day out there. Today we're catching up on some sticker videos. I am way behind. I am so sorry for that, everybody. But a lot going on, and I'm getting there. Main struggle was this software, but I think we're getting it whooped. But all right, we got us another sticker. This one, if y'all can see already, came from Mr. Zack Bice over at Bice Family Tree. Got a little note that come with it. It says, "Love your content, brother. Thanks so much for what you do and all your support. Hope all is well and keep up the great work." Thank you. I greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate your support as well. It's awesome the way this community helps everybody out and supports one another. But thank you so much, and we got an awesome sticker right here. Y'all got to go check out Zack's channel. I'm going to leave a link for it in my description. He does some awesome woodworking projects, y'all. You got to go see. You can't put it all in words. There's just a bunch of random different little projects and stuff here and there, and some pretty neat deals. I like them. But y'all go check it out. I'm going to switch the camera so we can get it up on the wall. And we'll go from there. Let's see. I normally fight stickers, but it looks like I won't be fighting this sticker the way it's put on the paper. Thank you. Stickers are my nemesis when it comes to unpeeling them. But I'm going to put you right up here. That's a good spot. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Oh. This camera is on a tripod and I can't get to it too good. All right. Now let's see if we can do this without knocking it over. But yes, y'all like it. See, now why can't the stickers all be that easy? I seriously struggle with getting stickers off the papers. Let's see. I want to get it right against that one, but as high up in there as we can go. Right there. Perfect. Awesome. That almost blends in with my background, or with my wall. But that's too cool. Y'all go check out Zack's channel. There'll be a link for all these other awesome channels in the description as well. It's hard to list everyone. Make sure if I got it all. I think I got you zoomed out here. Woo, we'll get it. All right. Again, there we go. Y'all go check everybody's channel out. Go check out Bice Family Tree. Their link will be in the description. All right, y'all. Remember, stay awesome. Stay laid back. Remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.